Babata, tignan ng mga bata na. Okay, so welcome to the
Club.
Special Review Committee.
Kala ko welcome to the club. Okay, pag-ibig sa nayon? Attorney, isa lang sa'yo? Okay, sige.
Okay, so
Hindi, gawin mo na ako pareha. Tapusin muna natin. Tapos, ano na? Meron po kasing actually we review the executive order. Napakadali lang po, no? When it comes to executive orders, madali lang po namin siyang i-review po, no? At nakiusap po si Kapitana ng Apollo Samson po na mauna siya dahil 4 lang naman na executive order. That is after attorney. Okay lang po ba sa inyo? 4 lang naman po yan. Ay, may gumawa question. May gumawa kontra po, Kapitana. Okay po, 4 lang naman po yun. Tinignan ko na po. Actually, nire-review ko na siya para pagsalang. Okay na. Ano, Kapitana? Parang ayaw nila eh.
Nakikiusap lang po kasi nag-aayuno po kami, bulakan pang pangbiyahe ko. At alam po natin na may problema po sa NLEX dahil sa Marilao. Inaabot po kami ng 2 hours na biyahe araw. Nakikiusap lang po, papayagan nyo lang po naman. Maraming po salamat.
Hindi pumapayag yung nasa likod mo. Okay, so we proceed, Mr. Chair.
So next in the agenda, resolution number 61, series of 2025 of Barangay Pag-ibig sa Nayon. A resolution expressing no objection to the reclassification and rezoning of a portion of road lot 2 of PCS-4313 covered by TCT 11810 into a regular and buildable lot registered under the name of Pineda, Lucia, Yuda, and located at El Fernandez Street, Barangay Pag-ibig sa Nayon, Quezon City by the Quezon City Government. Punong Barangay Abi Parwan is recognized.
Good morning, Mr. Chair. Here with me is the Barangay Pag-ibig sa Nayon Council. So there is actually an ordinance an ordinance for the reclassification of a portion of road lot 2 under the Office of Transfer ID. So we were suggested to provide a resolution that we express no objection to the said ordinance. This is the, I don't know if you're given a copy, so this is the copy. I think it will be for the third reading. So we were just told to express our no objection to the said ordinance.
Are there any oppositors with regard to this ordinance?
Actually, the lot, there is school constructed on the said lot. So Mayor Joy already funded the said lot from 2-story school. There will be a 5-story building that will be constructed, I think, this July. So the City Council is undergoing this ordinance because it is a road lot. So they cannot build the 5-story school unless it is a buildable lot. So we were just told that we need to have a resolution expressing our no objection. There is no objection because the said school has been built or has been there for like 25 years, and all the students of Pag-ibig sa